The mayor of Paris has called on the city's police chief to make masks mandatory in certain outdoor public spaces. Anne Hidalgo wants to toughen measures around areas that are heavily frequented, like on the banks of the River Seine or in outdoor public markets. The measures could come into effect in the next 48 to 72 hours. Earlier, I spoke to Kate Moody, who was at an outdoor market near the Eiffel Tower, and asked her if people were already adhering to wearing masks.
Most, but certainly not all, people at this market in central Paris are already wearing masks. People who are here to do some shopping, as well as people who are working at the stands here. Most of them wearing masks, and it has to be said that most of the people we've spoken to say that they are broadly in favor of a more generalized approach to mask wearing in order to prevent the second wave that scientists warn is now coming. Now, it is going to become compulsory in Paris to wear masks, not just indoors, as it has been for several weeks, but in outdoor locations like this where there are a lot of people. So outdoor markets like this one, streets where there are a lot of shops, the banks of the Seine or the Canal, where we've seen huge gatherings of people enjoying themselves in the hot weather in recent weeks, which scientists and doctors warn is a way of spreading this virus. We know that other cities in the country have already enacted similar measures, Nice and Lille, for example, as well as some of the cities along the Atlantic coast, where a lot of people have headed on vacation in recent weeks. They're all already trying to enact these measures. Anne Hidalgo says that it's important for Paris to follow suit because social distancing isn't always possible, even in these outdoor places. It's hard to rely on people to stand a meter away from others. They're hoping that this will go some way, at least, to containing the spread of the virus, to avoid having a large, widespread lockdown, as we saw earlier in the spring. Most people we've spoken to here, again, saying that they are willing to wear the mask more often if needed, as long as it will stop the spread of the virus and avoid a second lockdown.
Kate Moody reporting there.